Hello, welcome to my recipe videos. I was doing this every second Monday of the month, but now I think I'm going to change this to every Tuesday. I'm going to upload a recipe. I'm currently doing the keto diet, which it's no grains, no carbs, no bread, sugars, or anything like that. And a lot of people are focused when they start on the keto diet or hear about the keto diet. It's like, you can't eat that, can't eat that, can't eat that, can't eat that, can't eat that. What can you eat? So I thought I'd go ahead and research a bunch of keto-friendly recipes and just make a thing out of it. So we just start doing keto recipes. And this recipe kind of adapted from a recipe my mom always, well, not always, but makes from, we used to make from time to time, but slightly adapted for keto because when we're growing up, whenever she made it, she would put Doritos in it, and Doritos aren't keto, so left out the Doritos, but last time I made it without Doritos, it's still pretty good. If anybody has any kind of anything to add to make it more crunchy, that'd be kind of nice. Let's go ahead and get started into the recipe.
Here's all what's in it. If you want, you can add Doritos if you're not doing the keto diet. And growing up, Mom put green olives in it, but I'm just not a big fan of green olives. Starting off with 1 pound of hamburger, 1 packet of taco seasoning, 1 can of diced tomatoes with chilies. I think Mom just put in a jar of salsa when she made it when we were kids. But a 12-ounce bag of salad, an 8-ounce bag of cheese, and a bottle of ranch dressing. I don't remember which dressing it was she used when we were growing up, but it wasn't ranch dressing. But yeah, that's all what's in it. Any suggestions on what else I should put in it? It would be appreciated, but let's go ahead and get started. Starting off, we'll go ahead and brown the hamburger. And while that's browning, we'll go ahead and put the salad, cheese, and tomatoes in a bowl. We'll go ahead and mix that up. One moment, I'll use both pans. Alright, that looks, I've got that mixed up. It looks pretty good as is, but we'll got a couple more steps here. But we'll go ahead and get wait for the hamburger to brown before continuing further. Alright, the hamburger is finished browning, so we'll go ahead and drain and rinse that. The hamburger's been drained and rinsed, so we'll go ahead and add that to the salad. Alright, the hamburger's mixed in now. Now we'll go ahead and add in the taco seasoning. We'll just kind of add a little bit at a time, and then mix it up, and then mix it up and add a little bit more, just so it doesn't get like all lumped in one spot. So we'll go ahead and do that. All right, got all of the taco seasoning mixed in there now. This is where I used to add the Doritos, and growing up, Mom would add Doritos. I hope I'm not sounding like I'm bashing on my mom, because my mom's the one that introduced me to keto. But yeah, that's just the way we used to do the recipe. But now the everything's mixed in. We'll go ahead and add the entire bottle of salad dressing. And once again, we'll just add a little bit at a time, mix it up, and then add a little bit more. So, alright, now that it's all mixed up, we'll go ahead and put it in the refrigerator and let that chill for a bit. This recipe is strange because it's equally just as good chilled as it is heated up in the microwave. But yeah, that's taco salad, or the way I make a taco salad anyway. Sans Doritos to make it more keto friendly. Not sure if tomatoes count as keto, but yeah, that's it. It makes about 4 servings. So, well, 4 servings if you eat it like a sane, rational adult. 2 or 3 if you eat it like I do, because it's some good stuff. But yeah, that's taco salad.
Okay, I hope that's a good example of a ketogenic diet. If anybody has any suggestions for more recipes that follow the keto eating plan, are greatly suggested or greatly appreciated. Yeah, and if any plans to make this more keto friendly, someone suggested adding avocados, but I forgot to add that in there. But yeah, this is a really simple recipe. Just brown the hamburger, put everything in a bowl, and mix. So yeah, people who are upset because ketogenic's too hard, or they just can't find anything to eat. That's the whole point of this series, is just looking up easy recipes for the ketogenic diet. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, favorite, subscribe. I'm wanting excuse me, I'm wanting to do this every Tuesday. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and thanks.